Welcome to the top 5 best 360 cameras in 2026, where innovation meets imagination. These cutting-edge cameras redefine how we capture adventures, travel, and creative stories with immersive visuals, intelligent features, and professional-grade performance. From cinematic 360 experiences to action-packed moments, discover the ultimate cameras built to capture every angle. Number 5. Insta360 X5 The Insta360 X5 is a cutting-edge 360 action camera designed for creators, adventurers, and professionals who want exceptional image quality and unmatched creative freedom. Featuring advanced dual-lens technology, the X5 captures stunning 8K 360 video and high-resolution photos with remarkable detail, vibrant colors, and impressive dynamic range. Its AI-powered stabilization ensures ultra-smooth footage, even during high-speed activities, while the invisible selfie stick effect creates cinematic third-person perspectives without editing hassles. Built for durability, the Insta360 X5 is waterproof, rugged, and ready for outdoor adventures, making it ideal for travel, sports, vlogging, and everyday content creation. The camera offers intuitive touchscreen controls, voice commands, and seamless smartphone connectivity for quick previews, editing, and instant sharing. Advanced AI editing features automatically identify highlights, reframe shots, and generate engaging videos with minimal effort. The X5 also supports multiple shooting modes, including time shift, bullet time, HDR video, slow motion, and single-lens action mode, giving users endless creative possibilities. Long battery life and fast charging help ensure uninterrupted recording sessions, while high-quality audio capture enhances every video with clear, immersive sound. Whether you're documenting extreme adventures, creating social media content, or producing professional virtual tour, the Insta360 X5 delivers exceptional performance and versatility in a compact, portable design. Combining industry-leading image quality, intelligent software features, and durable construction, it is an excellent choice for anyone looking to capture every angle of life's most exciting moments with stunning clarity and creativity. Number 4. Insta360 X4 The Insta360 X4 is a powerful 360 action camera designed to capture every moment in stunning detail. Equipped with advanced dual-lens technology, it records immersive 8K 360 video and high-resolution photos, delivering exceptional clarity, vibrant colors, and impressive dynamic range. Whether you're traveling, cycling, skiing, or creating content for social media, the X4 ensures professional quality results with minimal effort. Featuring flow state stabilization and 360 horizon lock, the Insta360 X4 produces ultra-smooth footage even during fast-paced action. The invisible selfie stick effect automatically removes the selfie stick from your shots, creating unique third-person perspectives that look like they were captured by a drone. Users can also switch to single-lens mode for traditional wide-angle action videos in crisp 4K resolution. Built for adventure, the Insta360 X4 is rugged, waterproof, and ready for challenging environments. Its large responsive touchscreen, intuitive interface, and voice control make operation simple, while the Insta360 mobile app offers AI-powered editing tools for automatic reframing, highlight detection, and quick sharing across social media platforms. Additional creative features include time shift, bullet time, time-lapse, HDR video, slow motion, and loop recording, giving users endless possibilities to create dynamic and engaging content. With an extended battery life and fast charging support, the X4 is built to keep up with long shooting sessions. Compact, durable, and packed with innovative features, the Insta360 X4 is an excellent choice for content creators, vloggers, athletes, and outdoor enthusiasts looking to capture every angle with exceptional quality and creative flexibility. Number 3. Insta360 X3 The Insta360 X3 is a versatile 360 action camera that combines powerful performance with an easy-to-use design, making it ideal for content creators, travelers, vloggers, and adventure enthusiasts. Equipped with dual 1/2-inch 4.8MP sensors, the X3 captures stunning 5.7K 360 video and high-resolution 720p photos, delivering sharp details, vivid colors, and impressive clarity at a wide range of lighting conditions. Powered by flow state stabilization and 360 horizon lock, the Insta360 X3 produces incredibly smooth and stable footage without the need for a gimbal. Its invisible selfie stick feature automatically removes the selfie stick from your videos, creating unique third-person perspectives that look like they were filmed by a floating camera. The camera also supports single lens mode, allowing you to shoot crisp 4K action videos using just one lens. Built for adventure, the Insta360 X3 is waterproof up to 10 meters, 33 feet, without a case, and features a durable construction designed to withstand outdoor activities. Its large 2.9-inch touchscreen provides an intuitive user experience, while voice control and the Insta360 app make capturing, editing, and sharing content quick and effortless. Creative shooting modes such as time shift, bullet time, time-lapse, HDR video, Me mode, and slow motion offer endless possibilities for producing engaging videos. The long-lasting battery ensures extended recording sessions, making it perfect for day-long adventures. Compact, durable, and packed with intelligent features, the Insta360 X3 is an excellent choice for anyone looking to capture immersive 360 content and high-quality action footage with professional-looking results. Number 2. GoPro Max. The GoPro Max 2 is a next-generation 360 action camera engineered for creators, athletes, and adventure enthusiasts who demand exceptional image quality and versatility. Designed to capture immersive 360 videos and stunning panoramic photos, the Max 2 combines advanced imaging technology with GoPro's renowned durability to deliver outstanding performance in any environment. Featuring powerful stabilization technology, the GoPro Max 2 records incredibly smooth footage, even during intense activities such as mountain biking, skiing, surfing, or hiking. Its horizon lock keeps your videos perfectly level regardless of camera movement, while the 360 capture mode allows you to reframe shots after recording, ensuring you never miss the perfect angle. Users can also switch to a traditional wide-angle action camera mode for crisp, high-quality standard videos. Built to withstand the elements, the GoPro Max 2 features a rugged, waterproof design that is ready for rain, snow, dust, and underwater adventures. The intuitive touchscreen interface, voice control, and seamless wireless connectivity make capturing, editing, and sharing content quick and effortless. Integration with the GoPro Quick app provides AI-powered editing tools, automatic highlight creation, and easy social media sharing. Creative features such as time warp, power pono, slow motion, live streaming, and premium audio recording with multiple microphones expand your storytelling possibilities. The long-lasting rechargeable battery supports extended recording sessions, making it ideal for travel and outdoor adventures. Compact, durable, and packed with innovative features, the GoPro Max 2 is an excellent choice for anyone looking to create immersive 360 content and professional quality action videos with outstanding stability, flexibility, and creative freedom. Number 1. DJI Osmo 360 *. The DJI Osmo 360 is an advanced 360 action camera designed for creators, travelers, and outdoor enthusiasts who want to capture immersive footage with exceptional quality and creative flexibility. Combining powerful imaging technology with DJI's expertise in stabilization and intelligent features, the Osmo 360 delivers smooth, detailed, and professional-looking videos from every angle. Asterisk equipped with a high-performance, dual-lens system. The camera captures stunning 360 video and high-resolution panoramic photos, allowing users to record complete surroundings and choose the best perspective during editing. Its advanced stabilization technology ensures steady footage during fast movements, making it ideal for activities such as cycling, hiking, skiing, water sports, and adventure travel. The DJI Osmo 360 features intelligent shooting modes, AI-powered editing tools, and flexible reframing options that make content creation easier and more creative. Users can transform a single 360 recording into multiple cinematic clips, adjust viewing angles after capture, and create engaging videos for social media, vlogs, and professional projects. Built with portability and durability in mind. The Osmo 360 is designed for outdoor use with a rugged body, responsive controls, and convenient connectivity options. Its intuitive touchscreen interface and compatibility with DJI's mobile ecosystem allow quick setup, editing, and sharing wherever your adventures take you. With advanced image quality, smooth stabilization, smart software features, and versatile shooting capabilities, the DJI Osmo 360 is a powerful tool for capturing every moment from every perspective. Whether you are a professional filmmaker, travel creator, or action sports enthusiast, it provides the freedom to tell stories in a completely immersive way.